If your excuse for not creating content is, I don't have a good background, relax, I've got you. This is the fastest way to instantly upgrade your video background using CapCut for free. Ready, set, let's do this.
Number 1, make sure you're shooting with good lighting. There should be no shadows behind you, otherwise your results won't look clean. Number 2, what you're wearing must be different from your background. If not, when we remove the background, parts of you may look transparent. Number 3, use a tripod so your camera stays steady. Shaky footage will affect the final result. Go online and download the background you want to use. Upload both your background and your project into CapCut. Next, click on your main project, scroll to the right and click Overlay. Your project will now be added as an overlay, meaning the background is on top and your project is below. Now drag your project to the beginning so it starts from the very first frame. Then click on your project, the video of yourself, scroll to the right and click Remove BG. We're going to use chroma key instead of auto remove. The reason is that chroma key allows you to select a specific color to remove. For example, if your background is red, you can simply pick the red color and remove it. Auto remove doesn't always give the best results, which is why we're using chroma key. But if you prefer auto remove, you can use that instead. Now click on the color picker and tap on the background color you want to remove, just like I'm doing here. You'll see instantly that the background is gone and the new background you downloaded is showing. The trick is to move the picker around until you select the right background color and achieve the best result. After that, increase the intensity to remove any remaining white areas. As you adjust it, keep looking at yourself to make sure everything stays balanced. My settings might not work for you, so adjust it until it looks right. You can also increase the shadow to remove any shadows around you. Next, click on the background and drag it so both your background and your project are the same length. Let me show you what will happen when your outfit is the same color as your background. Click on your project, scroll to the right, click Remove BG, then click chroma key. Now take this icon close to the color you want to remove. Can you see the effects now? I'm wearing a black shirt and my background is a similar color. No matter what I do, trying to remove the background, it will not work because the background and my outfit are the same color. Do you see it now? I'm starting to look transparent. Once you achieve the look you want, you can export your project or continue editing.
Was this helpful? If yes, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Give me my thank you in the comment. Bye, guys.